I'll show you the most effective backdoor methods to recover or save WhatsApp View Once media, because WhatsApp has patched almost every traditional screen recording trick. This script focuses on high success methods. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Method 1. If you have a View Once message sitting in your chat right now, stop. Do not open it yet. WhatsApp's official documentation confirms that View Once media is included in your backups as long as it remains unopened. Check your chat backup settings. If the last backup time was after you received that message, you're in luck. Uninstall WhatsApp by tapping and holding the icon, then select Uninstall. Reinstall it from the Play Store or iOS Store. While setting up the new install, select Restore from Backup. The View Once message will reappear as unopened, giving you a second chance to use one of the capture methods I'm about to show you. Method 2. For Android users, the best workaround is an app called Virtual Master. This creates a virtual Android environment inside your phone. WhatsApp security blocks your phone's native hardware from taking screenshots, but it can't see the virtual hardware of a clone. To use this method, install Virtual Master and set up a second instance of WhatsApp inside it. Log in using WhatsApp Companion mode. Don't transfer your whole account, just link it. Open the View Once message inside the virtual window. You can now use the Virtual Tools screen recorder to save the photo or video without any blocks. Method 3. If you have an old spare phone or a tablet, this is the easiest trick. Install WhatsApp on the spare device. When it asks for your number, tap the 3 dots and select Link as Companion Device. Scan the QR code with your main phone. Now open the View Once message on the spare device. Because security protocols vary across different hardware, many older tablets or secondary phones don't trigger the screen capture block notification as strictly as primary flagship phones. Stick to the backup and cloning methods to keep your account safe. If you need the direct links for the Virtual Master or recovery tools, comment Recover WhatsApp View Once below and I'll send it over. If you have any queries, comment below. Click this card for our top AI career roadmap and check the description for all the direct links. Thanks for watching.